Good day class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 2.5 of chapter number 2nd. Okay. So question number first is which is greater? So what we have to do is we have to find which number is greater in decimal numbers. Exercise number 2.5 question number 1. Okay. The questions are first 0.5 and 0.05. Second is 0.7, 0.5. Third is 7, 0.7. Next 1.37, 1.49. 2.03, 2.30. Next is 0.8 and 0.88. Okay. So what we have to do is, first of all, just look at question number 1. Question number 1 is 0.5 and 0.05. Okay. First of all, we will see that whole number is 0 in both of them, and on 10th place 5 is there and there is 0. So which one is bigger, 5 or 0? This one. So we will use this side. And 0.7 equals to 0.7. They both are equal. Next 7 and 0.7. 7 and 0.7. Which one is bigger? 7. Okay, listen class. I forgot to write one question. It was 0.5 and 0.7. So what you can do is you can just check out which one is bigger and you must say that 0.7 is bigger. Okay, in both of these the whole number is same. There are 3 and there is 4. Then which one is bigger? That one. 2 and 2. Both the whole number are same. But there the 10th place is not the same. Which one is bigger? This one. The which place? Whole number is same. 10th place is also same, but there is no value at 100 place, but it have value at 100 place, so this one will be bigger. Okay. Question number 2 is express as rupees using decimals. What you have to do? You have to express in rupees. Okay. Question is 7 paise. First 7 paise. Second is 7 rupees 7 paise. 7 rupees 7 paise. Third is 77 rupees 77 paise. 77 rupees 77 paise. Fourth is 50 paise. 50 paise. And fifth is 235 paise. Okay. So what we have to do is, when we have to convert into rupees, we divide paise by 100. So it will be 7 upon 100 equals to 0.07 rupees. This will be 7 rupees. It is already 7 rupees. Then we don't have to convert it into rupees. So it will be 7 rupees already, plus it is 7 paise. So we have to divide it by 100. It will be 7 plus 0.07. It will be 7.07 rupees. Next is 77 rupees. So it will be 77 rupees plus 77 paise. So we have to convert it by divided by 100. It will be 77 rupees. 77.77 rupees. 77 rupees. And this is 50 paise, so we have to divide it by 100. It will be 0.50 rupees. And next is 235 upon 100. It will be 2.35 rupees. Okay. So what we have done is we have just converted the paises into rupees by dividing it by 100. Next is question number 3rd. Question number third. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Express 5 centimeter into meter and kilometer. So to change into meter, we know that in 1 meter equals to 700 centimeter. So we have to divide it by 100. So it will be 5 upon 100 equal to 0.05 meter. Okay. And to convert meter into kilometer, we have to divide it by again 1000. So it will be 0.05 upon 1000. So we can say that it will be, remove the point, there will be two more zeros, it will be 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 0. 1, 4, 5. And it will be 0 there. It will be 0.00005 kilometer. Second question is 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter, and kilometer. 35 millimeter. Okay. It will be 3.5 centimeter because we are divided by 10. Next, we have to divide by 100. So it will be 3.5 upon 100. It will be 0.035. Okay. Where we have to place a point? Okay, listen. It will be just like this. So it will be 0.035. Okay. What we have done? We have removed the point and placed a 0 there. Then what we have to do? We have to divide it by 10 in 10,000. So we have to place decimal at 3 place before from left hand side. It will be 0.035 meter. And if we have to convert it into kilometer, we have to divide it by again 1000. Then we have to remove the point, 3 zeros more. It will be 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 0.00035 kilometer. Okay. Next is express in kg, kilogram. So to change into kilogram, we have to divide gram by 1000. Question number 4. It is 200 gram equals to 200 upon 1000 equals to 0.200 kg, or we can write it 0.2 kg. Done. Next is 3470 gram. 3470 grams equals to 3470 divided by 1000. So we can say that it will be how many decimals are there? How many zeros are there? 3. So we have to place decimal by 3 digits after from the left. It will be 3.470 kg, or it can be 3.47 kg. Done. Next question is 4 kg 8 gram. 4 kg 8 gram. So 4 kg is already given in kilograms. So we have to convert only grams into kilograms. So it will be 4 kg plus 8 upon 1000, because 8 was in grams. So it will be 4 plus 0.008. It will be 4.008 kg. Done. What we have done is divided by 1000, because we have to convert it into grams. And what we have to do? 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, we have to place the point. I have done that. And then 4 plus 0.008 will be 4.008 kilograms. Next, what we have to do? Question number 5th. Question number 5. Question number 5 is write the following decimal number in the expanded form. What you have to do is you have to expand it. So question is 20.03. 20.03. We can write it like 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1 upon 100 because it is at the place of 100th. Next is 2.03. 2.03. It will be 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 100. Okay. Next is 200.03. 200.03. So we can write like 2 into 100 plus 3 into 1 upon 100 because this 3 is 100th place. Okay. And next is 2.034. 2.034. It will be 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 100 plus 4 into 1 by 1000. This is expanded form. Okay. Next question is write the place value of 2 in the following numbers. What you have to do? This is question number 5. Question number 6. Okay, what we have to do? We have to write the place value of 2. So first is 2.56. So place value of 2 is ones. Ones place. 21.37. So 2 is at the place of tens. Third is 10.25. So 2 is at 10th place. TENTH. Okay. Next is 9.42. 9.42. The 2 is at 100th place. HUNDRETTH. Okay. We have to write TH there. And next is 63.352. 63.352. So 2 is at 1000th place. Okay, 1000th place, TH. So class, this is our question number 6. Next we are going to do question number 7. Question number 7. A diagram is given. The diagram is A to B. The axis is A to D. This one. This is like this. A, B, C, and this is point B. Okay. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from B to C. A is 7.5 km from B. A is 7.5 km from B. Done. Next, B is 12.7 km from C. B is 12.7 km. Okay. Next, Ayub went from place A to place B. Okay, this was the distance covered by Dinesh from A to B and B to C. Dinesh. Okay, and Ayub goes from A to C from that side. Okay, what Ayub tells you how much Ayub traveled is? Ayub went from place A to D and D to C to D. Okay, so D is 9.3 km from A. D is 9.3 km from M. Next, and this was 11.8 C to D. 11.8 kilometer. This was traveled by Ayub. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to find the total distance and who traveled more. So total Dinesh, total distance traveled by Dinesh. So distance traveled by Dinesh is 7.5 and 12.7. 7.5 plus 12.7 equals to, so how much they have traveled? 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 plus 7, it will be 20.2 kilometer. Okay. Next, total distance traveled by Ayub. So Ayub goes 9.3 this and 11.8. 9.3 plus 11.8 equals to 8 and plus 3 will be 11. Okay, 11, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 11, 21. 21.1 kilometer. Okay, we know that who traveled more? Ayub, but by how much? So what do we have to do? We have to find difference. Equals to 21.1 minus 20.2. It will be 0.9 kilometer. So Ayub traveled more than Dinesh by 0.9 kilometer. Okay, Ayub traveled more. Next, this was question number 7. Next we have to do question number 8. Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams of apple and 3 kg 250 grams of mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 grams of oranges and 4 kg 150 grams of bananas. Who bought more? Okay, so what we have to do is we have to find the total weight. So this is question number 8. Total weight Shama's total weight is 5 kg 300 plus 3 kg 250. 5 kg 300 plus 3 kg 250. 3 kg 250. Okay, so total weight is 8 kg and 550 gram. 8 kg 550 gram. Okay, and next is Sarla. Sarla has total weight equals to 4 kg 800 gram plus 4 kg 150 gram. Okay, so total weight is 8 kg 950 gram. 8 kg 950 gram. Okay, so who has more weight? So we can see that Sarla has more weight. Okay, but by how much? So what we will do is we will subtract it. Okay, so difference equals to 8 kg 950 gram minus 8 kg 550 gram equals to, so 950 minus 550 equals to 400 gram. 400 gram. Okay, so the difference is 400 gram, and who hold more? Sarla bought more. Okay, so class, the last question is question number 9. Question number 9 is, how much less is 28 km than 42.6 km? Okay, how much less is 28 then 42.6? What we have to do is we will subtract 28 from 42.6. So subtract 28 from 42.6. Okay, so 42.6 minus 28.0 equals to 6. 12 minus 8 equals to 4, and this will be 14.6 kilometer. Okay, so 28 is 14.6 kilometer less than 42.6. Okay, so this is our final answer. So class, we will solve the next topic or exercise 2.6 in the next video. Okay, thank you class.